Kumana na mbua mbingila yende na ukusi wa ene nthimbe wa ngili 5 isioni si kivathukanio kamba wa Athi River ni kama kwatite ukuno muno na ngimo makalasi mikakuthama kuma mawikaloni mo uyu kakavindani kala ene nthi ala matwite ngumo cia usi wa Athi meukula mevete na mitukile tonekana na kuthamia isioni itena muisio atongo ime kivathukanio kauntini ya Masaku na mone maende na utambo kaukamba wa Athi River kunengane utethio na mama ovisama Musalava Mutune maende na utethe cia kuthamia andwala mavingane wene mbua. Daniel Mongela no atumbanisia liboti.
Kumbwa mbingi yende na ukusi wa isioni si kivathukanio vanthi ya Kenya. Utano munene wa ene nthi isioni si kivathukanio kamba wa Athi River va kauntini ya Masaku nwende na utanene wasio etini wakiu kulika mawikaloni mo utukuni wa kuamukia umunthi vala aingi mo malasimika ulisa sialani nikena kutangia mathayu mo namo angi mayamukia na kwithia mitoka na numba ciucie kiwu undula mali mbingi yanangikia kiwu ni kiwu ni kitumi niki vala kwi umunthi gavana wa kaunti ya Masaku ndumwe na atungu yangi matambuka isakini si kivathukanio kambo wa Athi River kumetana amama ene nthi alame kwa mete sialani maithame wa kundu kungi ni maofisa ma Musalava Mutune valayu mekala ivindani ya mbua.
The ones that do not have anywhere to stay, we will find a place for them to stay and feed them. We are already providing food and cloth and relief supplies here. And medication, they are well taken care of.
Wengi governor wa Masaku mwandu wa vinyandeti na nena ino tambuka isioni isu unyawita no kwa ene ndi alame kalite ngumo siwathi na kundu kungi ula kwisila kigu mevete nikenda kutangia mathayu mo nelisikana kuvikia vu utalo munene wa ene ndi nominite kuthamiwa kundu kwikivathukanio aingi matanamba uthama.
People should move away from the Athi River. Athi River, I can say the banks have swollen. We have never seen that again. So we're asking our people, it's very hot now and we know it's going to rain. So we are asking our people to move away from the river, and especially these ones who are on this side. They should just move to other places and not sleep here, because we do not know what will happen maybe overnight. We are lucky this came in the morning. If it had come at night, then it would have been something else.
Ovindani unda kulia akimano mbala makite kundu kula kutailete kweveta kwitene lezekana silikali ya katine la akaunti ndi isa kwetekelia andu make mkuta na kwathukise kigu mawikaloni ma ene nthi alangi undulova lani timikalile ya andu ingi.
We want to tell the developers, and here we are not going to mince our words. We want to tell the developers, you know the law. You know how far you should be from the river. So we are going to enforce that. The national government and the county government will enforce that, because we are not going to allow our people to die because of things that should be avoided.
Kavindani la muvea okunekili wanzeve waletikana mbweno nitoma kuendea ene nthi maikulwa methiwe memetho na kwikala isile tena muisio. Daniel Mongela, Mutungwi TV, kumuva kwa Mangeli, Mavuko kauntini ya Masaku.